Hello, in this video we'll show you how to replace the timing belt kit and water pump on Chevrolet Captiva 2008 2 liters diesel. The timing belt on this car is located on the side of the engine, so we need to remove the air filter box, so we need to remove the right wheel and then some other stuff as well. First, we remove the air filter box. Next, we remove the engine cover. Next, we remove the front right wheel. And now we remove this cover so that we can see where the belt is, along with all the pulleys. First, we remove the serpentine belt. The tensioner for the serpentine belt is just there. The space where the tensioner is very tight, so I'm using a short Torx along with a wrench so that I can release the tension. Next, we remove the crankshaft pulley. It's held by 4 bolts. Now we start removing the timing belt cover. Next, we'll put this bar to hold the engine while we take off the engine mount. So next we take off the engine mount. These are the bolts that we need to remove. Next we remove the engine mount support. It's held by, I think, 3 bolts. We need to lift the engine a little bit so that we can remove the engine mount support and then the timing belt cover. Next we remove this parasitic pulley. Now that we've released the engine mount support, we can take it out. We'll also remove the timing belt cover, and now we have a view of the timing belt. These are the instructions on how to remove the timing belt and all the Newton meters that we need to tighten afterwards. But we don't have any tools so that we can block the crankshaft and the crankshaft. So we'll just mark the timing belt, and that's how we'll round it. There is a dot on the camshaft pulley, which is matching another the other dot on the engine, and we also marked on the camshaft in 2 places, and the crankshaft as well. We have to mark the fuel pump pulley as well, so that it doesn't move. That's where we mark the crankshaft as well. Now that everything is marked, we can release the tensioner. After we unscrew the nut to some point, we can use Allen key size 6 to release the tension on the tensioner so that we can take off the belt. That's the tensioner pulley out. Next we remove the parasitic pulley on the timing belt. Next we have to remove the water pump, but in order to remove the water pump we need to remove the fuel pump pulley. It's held by one nut. We remove the nut and we take out the pulley, but sometimes it doesn't want to come out, so we might need a pry bar to pry it out a little bit. After removing the fuel pump pulley, there is this metal plate which we need to remove, so it's held by 6-7 bolts. And after remove this metal plate, we can see the water pump. The water pump is held by 6 or 7 bolts. We remove them and we take out the water pump. And that's the water pump out. Now we can put on the new water pump. After we put on the water pump, now we need to place the metal plate again just in front of the water pump. Afterwards we need to put the fuel pump pulley back. This is the tool I'm using to hold the pulley while I tighten the nut. This is the tool that I was using while when tightening the nut, so Next we put on the new parasitic pulley. After the parasitic pulley we put on the tensioner as well. And after we put on the tensioner, we can put on the timing belt. The new timing belt is marked as the old one, so we put the marks on the exact places on the pulleys. After we put on the timing belt on the camshaft pulley, we can put on cable ties so that it doesn't move, move anymore, the timing belt. Okay, and then afterwards we put the timing belt in our other pulleys, and that's the tensioner. We need to tighten it to the place, to the spot right there where it says CBS, exactly in the middle, and then tighten it to 25 Newton meters. After we finished installing the timing belt, we need to remove the cable ties on the camshaft pulley, and we need to turn the crankshaft 2 rotations so that we can see if we get the exact same marks on the crankshaft and the camshaft and the fuel pump, and if we get everything in exact same position, that means we're done. We can assemble everything together. Thank you for watching.